Hello students, welcome to my lecture in line integral. This is the first lecture on line integral. So in this lecture, the learner will be able to understand the definition, how to define the line integral, what is the inner meaning of line integral, and along with an example, we will define how to find the line integral. Okay. So now, what is actually line integral? The line integral, which is to be evaluated along a curve, is called the line integral and is denoted by integral c under curve f dot dr, okay, f dot dr, okay. So what is actually dr? What is actually r? R equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So this is along dr, okay. So what is dr? So if we take the differential of this, that is dr equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now the question is, sir, you are taking dr with respect to x, it is 1. Why you are taking dx? I am telling, I am not differentiating with respect to x or with respect to y or with respect to z. I am taking the differential, that is d of r, like dr, d of r, d of x, d of y, d of z. So it will be dr, d of x, that is dx, d of y, that is dy, d of z, that is dx. This is actually dr, okay. So now, for example, along the curve, this is the curve, okay. This is A to B. Integration along the curve, this is the curve C. This is the curve C. Along the curve C, that is integration along the curve C, that is, you can say A to B. For example, if we take an example, let f equal to be a vector field function. This f should be given, and dr, you know, dr equal to this. F should be given, always given. F should be always given, okay. So now dr equal to this. Now f dot dr you have to find. Then along the curve you have to integrate. So in line integral, you have to remember the line integral is always in one variable. If it is in two variable or three variable, then you have to convert this into one variable, either x or either y or z, okay. So for example, if f equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, where ijk are unit vector, be a vector point function in a region R, and C is a regular curve from point A to B, this is on the curve A to B in the anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction, always you have to move anti-clockwise direction, okay. Then the line integral f is defined as A to B f dr is equal to A to B f. What is the value of f? This is value of f dot dr dot function, that is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. If we take the dot product of these two, then we are getting I dot I1, I dot j equal to 0, I dot k equal to 0. You know how to find the dot product, I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1. So we can say f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now this equation, from this equation you can say that is equation 1. This is equation 1. F dot dr, A to B, f dot dr. This is equation 1. Equation 1 is the line integral gives the total work done by the force F along A to B. This is the total work done. This is called, actually you can say, total work done by the force along the curve from A to B, okay. Okay, so line integral, I already told, it is always in one variable. That means, suppose if there are 3 lines, then 3 integrals, 4 lines, 4 integrals. If there are 2 lines, then 2 integral. If there are single line, then single integral. This thing you have to remember, okay. Suppose if there is this is a suppose this point is 0 0, this point is suppose 1 0, this is suppose 1 0 0, that is 1 0, this point is say 1 1, and this point is 0 1. So along this curve, we have to move anti-clockwise direction. That is OA, BC. Suppose OA, along the curve OA, then AB, then BC, then CB. That means the line integral will be 4 line integrals. Because 4 lines are there, 4 integrals. Along OA, this is O, along A, then along AB, along BC, along CO. Then you have to add this, then you will get the work done. Okay. So this is the example, classical example. Now from this, I have to take an example from the university question paper. This is very important sum I have taken. That is just I am writing this sum. You have to follow this sum. So find the. So just follow me. F equal to I already told the f is f. What is f? F is a vector point function. It should be always given. Example 1. If f equal to that is f equal to 3xy I cap unit vector minus y square j cap. Evaluate in line integral f dot dr. Okay. Where C is the curve, this is C. Where C is the curve, y is equal to 2x square in xy plane. From 0, 0 to 1, 2. From 0, 0 to 1, 2. Okay? Okay, this sum. Okay? This sum. Very important sum. F is given. Evaluate line integral f dot dr. And C is the curve, y equal to 2x square. This is a parabola in the xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 2. Okay. So what is the solution? So there f is given, f equal to 3xyi minus y square j cap. Okay, this is given. What is dr? Dr, you know, dr equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Dzk, ijk are unit vector. Now what is f dot dr? F dot dr, you have to find dot product f dot dr, that is equal to f dot dr you have to find. So f dot dr is 3xy I cap minus y square into j cap dot dxi plus dyj plus dzk, where ijk are unit vector. Okay. So now, I dot I you know 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0, and j dot j equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, j dot k equal to 0, I dot j equal to 0. So I dot I, this with this, that is 3xy minus this I dot I 1, this into this, that is j dot j, that is minus y square, 3xy dx minus 3xy dx minus y square dy. This is actually f dot dr. Therefore, integration c f dot dr, just I am putting the value 3xy dx minus y square dy. Okay? This thing you have to find. Now, this is a parabola. Follow me. This is y equal to 2x, that is x square equal to y by 2. So this is upward parabola, x square equal to y by 2 parabola. Now from 0, 0, they are asking 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 2, 1, 2. This is O, this is A. That is, we can say 0, 0, that is 0 O2, that is at OA. Now y equal to 2x square is given, What is dy? dy equal to 4x dx. dy equal to 4x dx. Okay. You have to convert what I told here. You have to convert this into you can convert into x or into y variable. So already I told already the line integral is always in one variable, but here we are getting two variable x and y. So convert this into either x or either y. Okay. If we take x variable, then limit will be 0 to 1. If we take convert this into y variable, then 0 to 2. Integration 0 to 2. Okay. So I am converting here 0 to 1 actually. So we can say 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Line integral is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay. So now 3x into what is y? You see y equal to 2x square into 2x square dx minus y square minus y square. What is y square actually? Y square equal to 4x square into dy. What is dy? That is 4x dx. 4 into 4x dx. 4x dx. Now you have to simplify this. You will get that is 6x cube minus 16x to the power this will be 5. This will be 4 x to the y square. That means 4x to the power 4 into 4. That is 16 x to the power 5. That is 0 to 1 6x cube my dx minus 16 x to the power 5. Here dx, we are taking common dx here dx. So the answer that is integrate now, you can integrate easily. 6 into x to the power 4 by 4 minus 16 into x to the power 6 by 6. Then upper limit x equal to 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Then you will get 6 into, that is answer will be, if we simplify this, the answer will be minus 7 by 6. That is, if we put upper limit minus lower limit x equal to the lower limit we put, that is 0. That is 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. The answer is minus 7 by 6. Okay. This will be the answer of this sum. Okay. Okay. This will be the answer. Minus 7 by 6. That means what we have learned from here, what we have learned, you can convert this into y also. You can convert into x or y. When converted into x, the limit is 0 to 1. When it is converted into y, then the limit will be 0 to 2. Here I have converted into x variable. So I am taking the x coordinate 0 to 1. I think everybody understood very nicely. So I am 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching, sharing, commenting this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I'll come with my next video. This is the first video of line integral. I'll come with my next video, that is part 2, in more example. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much. Thank you.